stretches with a bow staff and more? Yes, and it all starts now. Welcome back to Dojo at Home. I'm Sensei Wing from the University Karate Center. Today, we'll be working with a prop. Okay, it's not a prop. It's a broom. No, that wasn't what I... There it is. A bow staff. This Okinawan weapon is a stick. They're typically around your own height. Personally, I like the shorter ones. Each has their own pros and cons. A longer bow can reach things that are further away. However, it's heavier and moves more slowly. A shorter bow can't reach as far, but it can be lighter and easier to flip around. So why do we have this weapon with us today? We're looking at strength and stretching exercises using the bow. After, we'll try some even tougher upper body stretches. Can you make the motion? We'll see. Ready? Fabulous. So we're going to start with a stretching concept that the bow staff really makes easy. What I want you to do, put the hands out, about shoulder width, maybe a little bit more. What you're going to do is you're going to take it behind your head and you're going to try to make the bow go straight down your back and up and around. So it's up and straight down. Now, if you get here or you're somewhere and you just can't do it, make your hands wider. Wider will always make this easier. Right? So out, down and up. Your other stretching that you can do with the bow staff is you hold and you do your side bends. Very nice. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And these do work. You'll feel it. When you use it, you'll feel it. So now we're going to put down the bow staff and show you why upper body flexibility actually might matter. Take a look at a motion maybe like this, or the other side. This. Your shoulders are relaxed. The upper body is stretched in an odd position. But these odd positions help you recognize how to move better and help you get more flexibility so that you can be better at training and generally just better at life. So, does that look familiar? It might. Because I have a little special treat for you a little bit later. However, let's look at one more thing with the bow staff, and this is going to be strength. So now, we've already worked on stretching with it, right? So we're all stretched out. Another thing you can do with strength with the bow staff is you take one. If you have two brooms or another bow, even better. What you do is you take a lunge, you hold it out in front of you, as low to the bottom as you can. You just hang out. Now, if you have two, what you can do without destroying my television is you hold it, same thing, but behind you. So you'd have one out and one underhand back. So you'd be here, and here, and you'd hang out. Now, if you want to make that harder, you hold further down, you hang out for longer, you go into a deeper lunge, or you put a teeny bit of weight on the end. You'd be surprised how quickly just a little bit of weight makes a big difference. Great. So, we've got some ideas. Stretching, stretching, strength, and stretching. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you don't have a bow staff, you probably have something that works in its place, like a broom. Challenge yourself to get stronger and more flexible. Did that hand position look familiar? It's part of a black belt kata called Nagate, which I just might be able to share a demo with right now.
Master side. So they gotta do this similar to the way the two boys did that kata, side to side in this position. Very good. Sit, right. You're right. Hashima.
How was that? Hope you enjoyed, because I remember that was a lot of fun preparing and showing. Thanks to Sensei Feng-Sang for helping make it look just awesome. Thanks again for watching. Of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and get your training videos from our website. In addition, we're open. Come and train. Until next time, I'm Sensei Win from the University Karate Center.